Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, I'm going to walk you through how to sell products online. So this is going to be a very simple video and it only requires 3 steps in order to start to sell your products online. And what most people do when it comes to sell products online, they're going to find a product or they're going to find a service. By the way, regardless of whether it is a service or it is a product, this video can apply to your business. Okay, so that what most people would do. And what if I told you product or service is not necessarily to be your main priority when it comes to how to sell products online, right? So if you want to discover that, please stick with me until the end of this video. I'm going to reveal to you everything you need to know in order to start to sell your products online. So before we start, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. In this channel, I talk a lot about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and online marketing in general. And consider smash the like button down below if you could find some value throughout my sharing over here. And if you want to learn how to grow, if you want to discover how to grow your online business, I have a special offer, which is a free physical book. You can learn how to grow your online business. Just simply go ahead to click the first link in my description down below. You're going to be able to claim your free book. By the way, this is a physical book. This is not ebook. You're going to send out to your direct to your doorstep, right? So click the first link in the description if you are interested to grow your online business. All right, so let's dive right into our content. How to sell products online. What if I told you the first thing that you need to know is actually an audience, right? So I'm going to type in down here. I'm going to type in number one is audience. Okay, so this is by far a lot of marketers, especially newbie, don't understand. You need to understand, of course, in order to sell products online, you're gonna need to have a product or service, right? Otherwise you will not be able to sell anything. But what if I told you the first thing that you need to think is actually an audience? Audience is a group of people, right? So audience equal to who do you want to sell to? Okay, audience is a group of people who are interested to purchase your product or service. So when you have an audience, regardless of whatever product that you have, you don't even have to create a product first, or you don't even have to find a product, because if you have the audience, you don't even need to sell product or service in order to make money online. For example, I give you some very simple. All right, so you can either have a blog. All right, for example, if you have a blog, and then what you need to do, the most popular in order to make money with blogging is actually ads, by selling ads, right? So same goes with YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel and you have the audience, you don't even have to sell a product in order to make money online. What you need to do is you can actually make money with YouTube ads, right? So this too is actually audience, right? So it depends on your audience. So I'm not interested to teach you how to make money with blogging or YouTube ads, but I just want to give you some rough idea how important audience is, right? So that is the most important, because once you have the audience, you can literally sell to them anything that you want, whether it is your product, whether it is your service, or whether you want to direct them to get more leads, or you want them to read your article on your blog, you want them to watch your YouTube channel or whatsoever. So that is the most important thing about audience. All right, so once you have the audience, you need to know, in order to have an audience, you need to know what is their desire, right? So I'm sorry about my writing, because I'm literally right with my my mouse right now. So you need to have to know what is their desire. Okay, so what is their pain point, right? So what is their pain point? So this is all the criteria in order to find your audience, because for example, your audience might be someone who looking for make money online, make more money, or make money with investing. Or maybe you have an audience that looking for how to lose weight, for example, how to have a better relationship, how to do the woodworking stuff or stuff like that, right? So how to be a good parents, how to be a good couple, or anything like that. So your audience is a group of people that has a specific problem, which is a specific problem that you as an entrepreneur can solve them. You need to remember one thing: as an entrepreneur, we are actually a problem solver. So once you get an audience, a group of people that has a similar problem, then you as an problem solver can tackle their audience to help them to solve the problem, right? So how to find the audience is very, very simple. You can find them on Facebook, for example, on Twitter, or on a forum. Okay, so this is actually a place or a marketplace that you can find your audience. For example, on Facebook, you can head off to the Facebook group. Okay, you can search for any particular problem that you are in, the niche that you want to serve. For example, like weight loss, so you can literally go to Facebook group and type in weight loss. That is all your target audience will hanging out, and that is the place that you can stand out, or you can serve them, right? So you can literally find a lot of question, a lot of discussion on a Facebook group, or on an Instagram account, or on forum, where you can actually help them to solve their problems. So that is how you're going to be able to get your audience. And another best place is called Quora, right? Quora. By the way, Quora is actually question and answer based forum, whereby a lot of people are going to ask a lot of questions on this platform. So what you need to do is just type in a specific or any question that related to your niche, and then you could find bunch of questions that related to the thing that you type in on Quora search box, right? So what you need to do is you need to answer all the questions, and then that is when you're going to start to attract, or you're going to build up your audience. Once you have your audience, that is when it's going to make you a lot easier to sell products online to them. Okay, I hope it makes sense to you. So the first thing is not a product, right? The first thing is your audience. So this is very, very crucial. Okay, so it brings us to the step number 2, which is the product. All right, so I don't know, for some reason I couldn't type in number 2 over there, but it's okay. So you got the idea, right? So number 2 is product. So once you have your audience, so this is the time for you to find a product. Okay, so it is not necessary to be your product, but it's completely okay if you have your own product. So you can either sell your own product, or you can either go to marketplace and find an affiliate offer. Okay, so there are so many different marketplaces out there that going to provide you a lot of product, a lot of very high quality product. So number 1, just to name a few, you can go to amazon.com, right? So amazon.com, so you might be one of the Amazon customer right now. So if you have no idea, Amazon has a associate program whereby you can literally sell almost everything that available on amazon.com to your customer as well. So but the only downside is the percentage of the commission is slightly lower. It is between 10% only on amazon.com. And another good marketplace for affiliate is called clickbank.com, right? So clickbank is actually a digital product platform whereby you can get a percentage of the commission up to 75% of commission. So if you just started out, I highly recommend you to go with clickbank.com, because clickbank has been around for years, I think 15 to 20 years already. So it is an established company already. So you can go clickbank, sign up for literally free. There's no investment needed. Same goes with Amazon as well. You can literally sign up for free and then get your affiliate link. They call it as an affiliate customized link. So now what you need to do, get your affiliate link and just scatter out throughout the internet, whether it is on your blog, whether in your social media. It's totally up to you. That is how you're going to be able to get make money by selling product online. Okay, so number 2 is product. Okay, so it actually doesn't matter whether it is a product or a service. Maybe you have some coaching service, but you need to ensure, you need to remember, the first thing what you need to do is you need to have your audience first, right? So once you get your audience, you can have a product, whether it is your own product or affiliate product. Okay, so it brings us to step number 3, which is the most important thing, is traffic. Okay, traffic. So where we do will be number 3. Okay, so traffic. So where you can get all those traffic. So as I told you before, you can get all this audience, or same goes with traffic, on a lot of social media platform available nowadays. Okay, one of the biggest one is Facebook. So when we talk about traffic, there are 2 types of traffic, which is the free traffic and paid traffic. Well, while I highly recommend you to learn how to drive paid traffic, but in this video I assume that all of you are beginners, so I'm just going to share with you how to drive free traffic. So there's so many, but I highly recommend you the most reliable, I think this is by far the most powerful traffic that ever exists, is called YouTube. Okay, so YouTube, the reason why is, there are a couple of reasons, but the most reason is because of YouTube is actually a search engine. Okay, one, we talk about search engine means that you can drive this traffic as long as possible, because as long as there are demands on your particular subject, on your particular niche, you're going to be able to drive a lot of traffic as long as the YouTube exists. For example, if you go to YouTube, you type in like how to lose weight, right? So there are going to be a bunch of search results. For example, let me head off to YouTube and type in how to lose weight, for example, right? Lost weight. So as you can see here, this is all the search term that people are looking for every single day, guys. So this is all the ideas that you can create content based on all these search terms in order to get a lot of views. Okay, so as long as you can serve all the videos that related to all the search terms here, you're going to be able to drive a lot of traffic to your video. Okay, so what you need to do next is you just have to put a description or your affiliate link down below on your description, or any product that you want to sell down below on your videos, right? So this is your description box over here, and this is your YouTube videos. So this is by far the most powerful, because YouTube is actually a search engine, as I told you. So as long as your video get views, you're going to be able to keep on making sales with the affiliate product or with your own product that you want to sell. So another platform is, of course, Facebook group. Okay, Facebook group. So this is actually still underutilized. So many people thought that Facebook group is dead already, but it is not true. Okay, so the thing is, the most problem is that most people, most beginners especially, they don't provide a lot of content in Facebook group, because the most important thing in order to get traffic, you need to have a lot of content. So regardless of whether it is on YouTube, on Facebook, or on Instagram, if you could produce a massive amount of content and a high quality content, you're gonna get the traffic very, very easy, guys, because people nowadays, they don't want to be sold anymore. What they're looking for is a content, right? So you can give like maybe 10 tips how to lose weight in 30 days, 10 tips how to make 100 bucks per month with affiliate marketing, stuff like that, right? So what you need to do, just search all the group that related to your niche, and then start to providing content on the group. Okay, so over time, when you consistent providing content on the group or on your YouTube channel, people going to notice you, and then they will end up with buy any product that you are selling, or any affiliate offer that you are offering to them. So guys, that's all on how to actually promote or how to sell products online. So first off, just want to recap everything's back. First off, you need to have an audience, right? So number two is you need to find a product, right? So the product that related to your audience, the product that can solve your audience problems. Okay, so it's either your own product, or you can literally find an affiliate offer that related to the niche or the problem that you want to solve. So the last thing is traffic, right? So traffic is also very, very crucial, because without traffic, you literally not be able to sell anything online or offline. Okay, so the best place how to get traffic is YouTube, and the second one is Facebook group. But both platform, you're gonna need to provide a lot of content. Okay, so content is the king, guys, right? So don't forget to of course, you're gonna need to consume content first. If you have no idea what type of content you want to provide to your marketplace or your audience, just literally simply Google whatever content or whatever information that you want to provide to your audience, right? So YouTube is also the best place. It's not only to drive traffic, but it is also the best place to get a lot of content. Okay, so guys, again, if you want to learn how to grow your online business, check out the first link in my description down below. You're going to be able to claim free physical book for literally free. Okay, so thank you for watching my videos, guys. So I hope you get some value throughout this sharing. Don't forget to smash the like button down below if you could find any value throughout my sharing over here. So guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time. See you in my next video. Bye bye.